Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on groups, sequences and functions. As you can see, our today's question is a quantitative comparison question wherein we are given that quantity A is equal to the units digit of 7 to the power 29 and B is equal to the units digit of 3 to the power 27, and we are asked to determine if A is greater than B in all cases, that is option 1, or if B is greater than A, or if A is equal to B, or if the relationship cannot be determined from the given information, that is option 4. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we proceed to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 3. That is, two quantities are equal. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So, A is the units digit of 7 to the power 29, while B is equal to the units digit of 3 to the power 27. Now, we know that 7 to the power 1 gives us a unit digit of 7. Similarly, 7 to the power 2 will give us a unit digit of 9. 7 to the power 3 will give us a unit digit of 3, and 7 to the power 4 will give us a unit digit of 1. Again, you'll observe that 7 to the power 5 will give you a unit digit of 7, 7 to the power 6 will give you a unit digit of 9, and hence we see that after every 4 digits, the unit digit gets repeated after every fourth power. So, 7 to the power 29 will have a units digit of 7, that is quantity A is 7, since 29 is equal to 4 times of 7, that is 28 plus 1. So the units digit of 7 to the power 29 will be equal to 7. Now let us observe the sequence for 3 parts of 3. So 3 to the power 1 will give us a unit digit of 3. 3 to the power 2 will give us a unit digit of 9. 3 to the power 3 will give us a unit digit of 7. And 3 to the power 4 will give us a unit digit of 1. Similarly, 3 to the power 5 will again give us a unit digit of 3. 3 to the power 6 will again give us a unit digit of 9, and so forth. It continues. Hence, after every fourth power of 3, we observe that the unit digit repeats itself. Hence, for 3 to the power 27, 27 can be rewritten as 4 times 6, that is 24, plus 3. Hence, it will have the same power as 3 to the power 3. Okay, so B is also equal to 7. And thus we see that quantity A and B is equal in value, thus giving us option 3 as the correct answer. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.